Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever found yourself scrolling endlessly through rows of product data just to find a single price or stock count, today's video is going to be a game changer. We're diving into XLOOKUP in Google Sheets, a super handy function that makes searching and retrieving data lightning fast and incredibly simple. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to pull up anything from a product name to the latest inventory, all in a snap. Let's get started. I've put together a sample product list so you can follow along. In our spreadsheet, we have columns for product code, product name, price, and stock. Think of this like a mini inventory for a small shop. For example, you might see P001 for apple, P002 for banana, and so on, each with their prices and the number left in stock. These are the kind of tables most businesses and teams work with every day, so mastering lookups will save you a ton of time. Now let's jump into our first example, looking up a product name using a product code. Imagine you have a product code, say P003, but you need to know what product that is. Instead of searching manually, use the XLOOKUP function like this, equals XLOOKUP P003 A2 A7 B2 B7. Here, what's happening, you're telling Google Sheets, hey, search for P003 in the list of product codes, and when you find it, give me what's in the product name column on that same row. It's that straightforward, and if you try it out, you'll see you get mango as the result. This is perfect for quickly cross-referencing codes with items, ideal for receipts, invoicing, or even just checking your online orders. Okay, moving on, what if you want to find out the price of a specific product, not by its code, but by name? Maybe someone asks you, how much are bananas? Again, XLOOKUP steps in to make your life easier. Use this formula, equals XLOOKUP banana B2 B7 C2 C7. This time you search for banana among the product names and grab the price from the price column. The result, you'll see 15. This flexible approach means you don't have to memorize obscure codes or perform tedious searches. Just type in the name you know, and XLOOKUP does the rest. Now here's a slightly more advanced trick, looking up the stock by product code but also handling cases where the code might not exist. Say someone asks about a product that isn't currently listed in your table, or maybe there was a typo. Instead of your sheet showing an ugly error, you can set a default message. Here's how, equals XLOOKUP P010 A2 A7 D2 D7 product not found. If P010 doesn't exist in your product codes, Google Sheets neatly returns product not found. It's kind of like having a polite assistant who doesn't leave your questions hanging. If you're running a shop or managing orders, this ensures you give your customers clear answers every time, even if something's missing. All right, give yourself a pat on the back. You now know how to use XLOOKUP in Google Sheets to quickly pull out product names, prices, or stock counts, and even handle missing data gracefully. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you ran into any issues or if you want to see more Google Sheets tips. And don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.